Guys, if you're looking to improve your profitability with your trades, then you should watch this. I'm not a professional advisor, but let's get it out. Alright guys, so this is the landing page of SignalPeak. Link to this will be in the description of the video. It is your trusted partner for navigating the dynamic world of cryptocurrency trading. Now, with access to over 100 premium Telegram channels, SignalPeak is actually delivering expert insights, precise trading signals, and strategies that is tailored to maximize your potential in the crypto market. And believe me, guys, I am using this as well, and I have made tons of money you could ever imagine. I mean, a lot. All right, you got to go ahead and check this one out. Their trading signals are top-notch, and SignalPeak provides a comprehensive suite of channels that are offering unparalleled market insights from Fed Russian to Binance killers. So those are actually curated empowered traders with long and short signals for futures, spots, and altcoins, along with intraday scalps, swing trades, and mega signals with historical accuracy of 100%. Now, here's the best part, guys. SignalPeak's signals are compatible with all major exchanges, which includes Binance and Coinbase. Now, this seamless integration ensures that you can trade confidently from anywhere, and it leverages SignalPeak's detailed technical, fundamental, and sentiment analysis. And you could actually choose from the options that is designed to meet diverse trading goals, from a free trial to a lifetime access. So it depends on you. Like if you are, making this trading for a living, I am going to strongly suggest that you check SignalPeak out. Make sure to do your own research, of course. But again, I myself am using this. I have been successful, and I am making as much money as I can just by, watching all those trading and applying them with my trades. Now, with a 92% plus signal success rate, SignalPeak has actually helped thousands of traders achieve exponential growth. And that's evidenced, guys, by glowing testimonials from satisfied subscribers. You can take control of your crypto journey and, get as much profit from the trades as you can. And guys, again, there's a lot of information here in their website. You even have proof here. You can click on that. You have this. I mean, oh my goodness, right? Like if you are a small beginning trader, you will be happy with like 10, 15%, 20%, but you're not going to be that consistent yet because you're still studying and you're still getting used to the trades, the technical analysis and all. You will definitely benefit from the trading signals that you will get from SignalPeak. Go ahead and check them out, guys. Link to this will be in the description of the video. If you're new to the channel, I hope you would consider clicking that like, that subscribe, click that bell. That will always be notified when I upload new videos like this in the future. I'll see you on the next. I'm out. Peace.